Hey guys, so I'm with Mom, and we're doing a mukbang.
Hey.
So we're just sitting in the not parking lot, in the drive-thru, waiting on these people to pull up. 'Cause they're taking
So we already got Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we're gonna compare.
And now we're getting Cane's.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. This dude up here could be hot, I think.
For reals?
I think at the window. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Well, it wasn't her for sure.
He's right there, Mom.
Hi.
Hi.
Would you guys like ketchup?
Yes, please.
Oh yeah, Mom. He's real.
He's not. Scratch that.
There you go. Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
I feel like we freaking got boomeranged. It's not a good feeling.
Extra toast, please.
Shut up. We've never even ate here. Now we're going in the Super Target parking lot to go sit here and eat.
That says do not enter. What
Well-
part of that do you not? Straight up, girl. Look at that. Oh no.
Me too, though.
What
So watch out.
She straight up just cut all those other people.
Okay. So
That is not cool.
we're like in this part.
Over. Oh yeah.
Oh.
I can't go here.
What do you mean?
Can't get out there. I'm gonna have to go down here.
It's taking a little longer than expected.
Well, traffic is crazy here. So it is what it is.
Mom got her 3 Diet Cokes.
I did not.
Whoa. You got you 2.
Well, you know, I like to drink a lot. Don't
Mom, hurry up.
shut
This whole video is gonna be longer than what we eat because we're gonna scrap it up. Or whatever it's called. And this is full. This Target's full.
Yeah, but we're not looking.
Let's go to the very, very back.
Well, yeah, because we're not going in. So. Wow.
Oh, dang
They
it.
must be. Go ahead. And you need to
Turn right
untuck
there.
that shirt.
Come on.
They must be having a sale today.
Okay. Woo! 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 Little masterpiece. That's what me and my husband are gonna be looking like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the same height as them.
Let's go over here.
Go like
I
as
think
back
all these
as you
people are
can.
parked here because they're going,
They're going to
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Yeet, yeet. What are you doing?
I'm going through here because that other...
Park over there. I don't
I
like parking over.
am.
We'll go in.
I have to make sure nobody's coming. What do you want?
God dang, how far are you to go?
You said out here away from everybody.
Okay. Video's already 4 minutes long.
And?
It's gonna take up all my freaking room. Did you ask for ketchup?
Yeah. He said, you want ketchup? I said, yes, please.
You said you thought it was gonna be hot and sunny. That's Cane's. That doesn't even look that good.
I can't wait to try that sauce.
Mm.
Oh, they gave us 2 toasts. Did it say 2 toasts?
I don't know. I have a fry stuck in my underwear.
Okay.
Okay. It's okay.
Put it down. Can you put it down where they can see the food? No, you can't see the food from there.
It's okay. Here, I'll just show it. That's the food. I'm ripping out the Chick-fil-A. What are you doing? No.
Okay, let's see. I want to check the sauce.
ASMR mate?
I don't know about the sauce. It's not Chick-fil-A for sure.
That looks gross. God dang.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's not Chick-fil-A. Like, Chick-fil-A sauce is, I can drink it. Not this stuff.
You can drink it?
Yeah.
Well, you're about to knock the Cane's drink over.
I'm trying to set that on there.
Chick-fil-A's way better already.
Okay, so let's try the chicken.
You're really into this, aren't you? This video? Is that good? I gotta rip out the ranch. Actually,
The chicken is good, but the cane sauce,
it doesn't look good.
the chicken's good. The cane sauce is weird to me. I don't know about that. There's some napkins. Well, and I paid 37 cents for an extra cane sauce.
That was your bad.
I probably
did
just
I put
wasted my money on that.
There. This chicken is actually good. It's hot though.
Yeah.
Apparently the bread is what's good.
Gonna check out the bread. Okay, so let's dip it in this sauce and see.
Mom, shut up.
You know, it's not really that good, to be honest.
Bro.
They said it's real buttery. It's really not. Like, mine's more buttery at home that I make.
I don't see no butter on that.
Yeah.
Cane sucks, guys.
Okay, so the chicken's good, but I'm not sure about the cane
chicken-
sauce.
The chicken is decent. It's not. Chick-fil-A's way better.
This is what's happening. Chick-fil-A sauce.
Where's your fries?
She's rushing me.
I'm trying to open my nugs.
Did they cheat me on the nugs?
Shut up. Oh, they're lit. It's in a little box.
I know, that's why I said, did they cheat me on my nugs? I don't know, I kind of like this Cane's chicken.
Okay, so my last video went off because my storage full. Hopefully we fixed the problem.
Okay. So now we're doing Chick-fil-A. You gotta tell them what you're eating.
Well, no one's probably even gonna watch this video. I'm not popular. I'm gonna post it on my Snap now.
So, Tessa's not telling you about what she's eating.
I'm eating a fry.
From Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, because Cane sucks.
And I don't know what is in this Chick-fil-A sauce, but it is
like,
so yummy. Like,
It's like
look,
mustard.
like, I don't like
Right.
mustard, so it's not mustard. Mm. I could literally just lick this whole Chick-fil-A sauce down.
Okay.
I'm not kidding. just so good.
Yeah.
So good. So good.
I literally just choked on my nugget. I can't breathe.
So what I might do, okay, so this is Chick-fil-A nuggets, but
Do the chicken from Cane's and it's... Shut up, god damn.
I need to go back through Chick-fil-A and ask for extra Chick-fil-A sauce
You just...
and dip my Cane's chicken in it.
Stop putting so much on that one chicken nugget. That's why you don't have none.
So good.
They gave me 3 ranches though, and we didn't even ask for extra. Let's try that. I'm gonna try the Cane's chicken in the ranch.
Their chicken is good, really. But nothing exciting about the fries, really. They're just crinkle cut.
Crinkle cut suck.
And the bread is... I just dipped it in the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Take off your sunglasses. Take them off, because I don't know if you're joking or not. Take them off.
I'm eating. The toast to me kind of tastes like it has maybe like some kind of garlic powder or something on it, just a little bit. Which I wasn't expecting, but not bad.
Oh, we have to take a thumbnail. Okay, grab your fries or whatever you want to take a picture with. Grab your fries. You want to take a picture with that?
The sauce is my favorite. How long are we gonna do this?
What? I have to pee.
Do you really want people to see that when you said you have to go to the bathroom?
It was just saying.
Not cool. I just don't even know what to eat. There's so much here.
Shut up. There's not even that much here.
I'm serious.
Girl, we ain't real mukbangers. They get all kinds of stuff.
Let's move on, man. Inside the top 10. Number 6 belongs to her. As I am.
Eat the food. So many people have asked me if we're gonna be open. I'm just like, shut up.
Well, everybody's supposed to be at the Derby. So why are they worried about if we're opening? Go to the Derby. They have $10
Everyone
snow
went.
cones that aren't any good.
Everyone went last night. But some people are going today.
Well, if we were home, we might open today, but
Why?
we're not home, so it's a no.
Oh yeah. We're in Oklahoma City. I forgot to say. We're doing like a, what's it called? Fun run.
We're doing a fun run tonight. So we're eating all this stuff so that we can
Throw it up.
run off all the calories tonight.
I like how we're just smacking down the Chick-fil-A and not even caring about the Canes.
Cane's does not even compare to Chick-fil-A. I don't know who said it does, but it doesn't.
Chick-fil-A is my favorite, and it's like powerful.
Chick-fil-A is just right over here to the right of us. And there is, the line is
Okay.
always so long.
I don't know if I can see it on there. My phone's hot for me. Let me plug it in just in case it dies.
Well, I think they get the hint of how good this food is.
Okay, so should we end it? Huh?
I think so.
Bye.
Bye, guys.